Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale payment solutions with Square step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current payment processing needs. Identify the specific features that are essential for your business growth. Research Square's offerings to understand how they can cater to those needs. Create a Square account by visiting their official website. Fill out the necessary information to set up your account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Integrate Square with your website or e-commerce platform. Follow the step-by-step integration instructions provided by Square. Ensure that the checkout process is seamless for your customers. Set up different payment methods offered by Square, such as credit cards and digital wallets. Customize the payment experience to reflect your brand identity. Test the payment process by making a few trial transactions. Gather feedback from users on the ease of the checkout process. Implement security measures to protect customer payment information. Analyze transaction data through Square's reporting tools. Use these insights to understand your sales trends and customer behavior. Plan for scaling by exploring Square's additional services, such as inventory management. Consider using Square's marketing tools to reach a broader audience. Stay updated with Square's new features and improvements to enhance your payment solutions. Continuously optimize your payment process based on customer feedback and business growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.